Atlantic splash rings offer an innovative, attractive solution to the nuisance of excessive splash around spillways. The 3 sizes of splash rings accommodate wall spouts. Color falls from 6 inches to 36 inches, and the 12, 24, and 36-inch stainless steel spillways, keeping unwanted and potentially hazardous splash to a minimum. Installation couldn't be simpler. Just place the splash ring under the falling water and splash instantly disappears. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about installing Atlantic splash rings, but were afraid to ask. You can find out more about these and all our products on our website. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you in the next video.